Hello everyone, how are you? I am leaving tomorrow for NailCation, and this is going to be a vlog. I don't know how long it's gonna be, might be multiple parts. I'm in the middle, not in the middle. I just broke a nail, cleaning dishes, cleaning, what else? What else? You know, it's always dishes or laundry. So I'm going to figure out what I want to bring. I'm going to turn the camera around because I don't know where to start. So I'm teaching a class for the first time, and I'm teaching how to sculpt an edge nail, which I'm gonna throw a picture up on the screen. That'll be easier than giving you all the middle finger, because unless you want that. But I'm also taking classes. I'm taking like 4 or 5, I think 5. So let me just show you what I have in front of me. This is everything in front of me. I'm bringing this little light just in case, but I am bringing that light that's on the ground. I also have a notebook. I have stuff in there in that brown bag for my students. That is a gift, and that is, my car snacks. Because you can't have a road trip without snacks. But I need to take this and put it in here, which I know it's not going to fit. But I also have this bag when Swarovski was still doing their education class. And I also just realized that I have to pack my LED lamp. So that might not fit. And someone asked to see since I'm teaching a shape and structure class, someone said, "Hey Delia, why don't you bring your nail form collection?" So here you go. I'm bringing it to show everyone. Yeah, let's figure out how to pack all of this, shall we? One of these days, I might treat myself to something full size, because that is going to work 10 times better. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. It is 6:45, and I'm in my rental car, and I have my coffee, and I'm ready to go. I'm going to stop at the bagel place, and I'm going to get a breakfast sandwich, and at some point I'll be back to say hi again, to let you know where I am. Got my bagel, Taylor ham, egg and cheese. It's fucking delicious. If you've ever been to NailCation before, you know the feeling when you first get to this house. This is the top floor. This is the balcony from the kitchen and the living room. You know that feeling when you get there. You know how this look feels. You know how this view feels. If you've ever been thinking of going to NailCation, please watch the rest of this vlog. You need to have this on your bucket list. I'm just going to give you a tour of a part of the house. I arrived on Saturday and everyone else doesn't usually arrive until Sunday. So Saturday is educator day when everyone arrives. So this is one of the rooms that you're looking at. You have another room right over here. You have an elevator. Then down on this floor, you have a washer and dryer. Then you have another room in the corner. You have another room over here. And then you have a bunk bed. This is where I was staying along with Denise, who is a brand ambassador for Wildflowers. Then if you go up a floor, that is where the kitchen and the living room was. So the scene before when we were looking at the balcony, that is the floor above. This floor you have to your right, you have two other bedrooms. You have one here and you have one over here. Then behind, which we're going to right now, you have a movie theater. And then you also have a little game area. And then in the corner, you have another bedroom right over here. So this house has 10 bedrooms and it fits 20 people. This year, this house was completely maxed out. And can I tell you, even though this house was maxed out, you have balconies on every single floor. It did not feel like that there was this many nail techs in this house. This house is so big. Unless we're all gathered together on one floor or we're across the street taking a class, you would never know that there's this many nail techs gathered together. NailCation is definitely a small, intimate nail retreat that you need to have on your bucket list. Morning everyone, how are you? I didn't vlog much of yesterday on day one. By the time I got here at 5:30 yesterday, can we just look at that? I was exhausted. It took me 10.5 hours to drive from New Jersey down here. And after dinner, I got in the hot tub with a couple of the ladies. And I was in there till about like 11:30, almost 12 in the morning, which I needed that after my drive. I'm going to show you. This is the view that I get to come out to every morning. And today, I think we're going to go to Ocracoke Island, which I will vlog a little bit while I'm there, and I'll see you later. Well, there's more over.
Oh, there he is.
Going a slow roll. I don't know.
Several actually.
Honey, where are you? Polo! I had to. Come to a rolling stop and let's let Denise and I jump out.
Yeah. I'm just letting everybody else do the content. I'm just gonna steal y'all's videos.
Exactly.
Right? Tag me in them. What are the tiny ones? Usually those are for small people. 1948. It's a family plot.
I'm gonna pull up so you can see.
They're all Gaskins. They're all family plots. I was just wondering what the little ones were.
I like your style, baby.
There's initials on them.
New Orleans in the cemeteries.
No,
I've never been to New Orleans.
I've been.
Oh, that's Bourbon Street is fucking awesome. See, and
That's
all
my
I've
bucket
ever heard
list going
was-
to New Orleans.
Yeah,
I wanna go.
I've all I've heard is it's fucking.
Do not enter. Danger.
Oops.
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger.
And we should all put our face right here.
This back. I knew she did events, but I didn't realize she had that much stuff.
Oh, what?
Those are sick.
I already have them. You have the big one? Good. Good. Oh, wait a minute. How much you pay for yours? It's crazy.
I got them years ago
Yeah.
when I first started.
Good.
Arguing.
That's really good.
Go over the booths.
So do you have a...
You're like, wait, what?
Which I forgot to bring for your class. So
I brought half of my collection with me.
I have a ton of regular ones. I really forgot that I had like multiple packs of their extra long ones. So I was like, oh, let's buy more here.
I bought half of my collection with me just in case if anyone forgot.
Yeah.
The only thing I didn't bring, which I forgot, was the KB Protect. Just in case if anyone wanted to try it so they can do a pop-off. That's literally the only thing I forgot. I'm actually going to end the vlog here with you watching me walk back up to the house. I was walking on the beach with another nail tech friend of mine, Denise. There's so many things I can talk about this particular retreat. I got to teach my very own first class, in-person class, so thank you, Mary Ellen. I got to meet so many nail tech friends I've known on social media, and I got to meet you for the first time in person. This NailCation is just one of those retreats that's not only a retreat, but it's a vacation wrapped into one. It is definitely a smaller retreat, so it's more intimate, and it's not such a huge, big thing where you're going to get lost in the sea of nail techs, and I hope to see some of you there. Talk to you later. Bye.